Attention! Are you behind on your bills? This message is for you. Now you can have a large portion of your credit card debt forgiven.
Guys, what is up? I am on the boat.
To give you free information on a
We're not even on the water.
program.
Look.
No bankruptcy or consolidation. This special program actually wipes clean the portion of your credit card debt that is forgiven. Call for your free information now. 800-218-7170.
First say hi.
800-218-7170. Don't wait.
Guys, please.
800-218-7170.
Check out the channel. Bye. Love you. Bye.